Why should you network with people you don't know?
Building connections with new professionals opens doors to opportunities, insights, and growth. Networking can help you learn about new roles, gain industry advice, and develop relationships that may benefit your career journey. Even if it feels uncomfortable at first, reaching out is a powerful way to expand your horizons and stay informed about your field.
What should I say in my initial message?
Start with a polite greeting and a brief introduction of yourself. Mention why you're reaching out, such as a shared interest, mutual connection, or admiration for their work. Be specific and genuine. For example, "Hello, I came across your article on marketing trends and found your ideas intriguing. I'm a marketing student eager to learn more about your career path."
How do I make my message stand out?
Customize each message. Reference something unique about the person, their work, or a recent achievement. Avoid generic requests. Show genuine interest by asking a thoughtful question. For example, "I noticed you transitioned from engineering to project management. What skills helped you the most during that change?" Short, respectful, and personalized messages are most effective.
What if they don't respond?
If you don't hear back, don't take it personally. Professionals are often busy. Wait at least a week before sending a gentle follow-up, expressing continued interest and appreciation for their time. For example, "I wanted to follow up in case my previous message got buried. I'd greatly appreciate any advice you can share when you have a moment."
Are there text templates I can use?
Absolutely. Here are 2 examples. Template 1. "Hi name, I'm your aim, your role, interested in their field. I admire your work on specific project. Would you be open to a brief chat about your experiences?" Template 2. "Hello name, I found your profile on platform and would love to learn about your journey into their area. Thank you for your time.